Before, we just used to dab right here, and that would be a more efficient way of actually ensuring that your face is lifted up and it just looks so seamless, is actually by Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If it's your first time tuning in, I don't only want to welcome you, and those of you that are not strangers to this channel, warm welcome as well. So as per the title today, I'm gonna be showing you how to apply blush. As you can see, my face looks pretty much done. If you really look at it, it's not really that done if you do pay much attention. Reason being, my cheeks are not warm. Yes, we have contoured, of course, the nose as well. We have concealed, but we haven't warmed up our cheek, and thus we look a little bit flat. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to be teaching you today. So the first thing that I need is, of course, your blush brush, and of course any blush of your choice. I'm using this by Avon. I've had it for a while now, but it works fine and I love it. So what you want to do is just dab right into it like so. So you can see there is that blush on there, and then you kind of smell like so. I'm trying to talk and smell at the same time, but child. Anyhow, so before, we just used to dab right here, and that would be enough. A more efficient way of actually ensuring that your face is lifted up and it just looks so seamless is actually by smiling. I'm trying to smile while actually talking to the camera, so that's quite a bit of a challenge. But anywho, you're gonna do this and just push it on an upward motion like so. So you can put layers according to how much blush you really want. If you don't want it so significant, depends also what time of the day it is and what the occasion is. So I'm dabbing on my cheeks and just pushing it all up right on top of my eyeballs. Not on top, but like side to side. So you can tell the difference. This side is warm and this side is not. I'm just gonna go in again. So today I actually came in, I decided, you know what, I'm not putting any lashes because of late the lashes have been actually irritating me. So I don't know if it's an allergy I'm getting from the latex. I'm trying to find a glue that's latex free. Yeah, but otherwise lately the lashes have been irritating me. I can't wear them for too long, so I decided to go in with my actual lashes, and I must say they're not that bad. Yeah, we could work with this. We could definitely work with this. So yeah, go on, dab in it like so, remove any excess and try to smile and just dab on your cheeks, and then all the way up, cheeks all the way up. And then we're gonna do the same on the other side as well. Smile, dab on your cheeks, then all the way up, pulling it like so, dab on the cheeks, and all the way. I hope you guys are seeing, like already I can see the difference, like there is a difference. Yes, at first looked good before the blush, but I feel it gives it a more voila when we actually put the blush, that voila, you know, that that little something something. So yeah, go on and just continue this process. And then what you can also do is kind of um snip your brush like so, and then just go there and there, there. Then you drag it also on the other side. I don't know if you can catch that, but do you see? Do you see the voila? Do you guys see the voila? So I actually did just a nude, nude, you know, my favorite look, of course, which is usually a nude, nothing too serious. I like this because I can pretty much rock it anyway, day, night. It's there, but it's not, you know, like, I'm not saying much, but I draw attention when I walk into a room. This is the kind of makeup that you want. You there, you're not speaking too loud, but you do draw attention in a very good way. Yeah. So there, and so snip it like so, and dab there, and then go back in. You can put as many layers you want, up until you get exactly what you feel you want. I think just slightly more. We're almost done. It's warm enough. So yeah, I did my lips, guys. The brows also were not too intense. I just brushed them, made sure they're actually cleaned up, in terms of nicely tweezed. So I just cleaned that up with concealer, top and bottom. I did add a slight bit of what you call this again, eyebrow pencil on the ends, just to give it a bit of the voila, the voom voom. Yeah, I did that just to give it a bit of the voila, the voom voom. And I just warmed up my eyelids. I didn't really do any eyeshadow, just one eyeshadow just to warm up the eyelids. Yeah, so that's, you know, the kind of plumped up, they kind of given a bit of life than just being flat. Of course, we contoured the nose, snatched it, and this is the snatch that we were going for. If you haven't watched Come Contour with me, I'm gonna place a card right here, either at the beginning, but I'll definitely put a link in the description of how to contour. So the title of the video should be Contour with Me. So if you haven't watched that, please go ahead and watch that. I'll link the video to that in the description down below for you to just learn how to, you know, get that voila that voila snatch on your nose, and of course your cheeks. And then with my lippy, went with my fave, my combination of a nude, and it's not a gloss, it's a matte. So yeah, this is the end result of the blush. And what you can also do, you can add a bit of shimmer to it by adding highlighter. Let me just do that. These are just extra steps that I'm just adding on, but pretty much the blush is how I showed you, and this is what it's looking. We definitely love it. Please let me know what you do think of how this blush and the whole makeup look. How do you feel or think it came out? Do you love it? Would you wear it? If you would, please let me know in the comments down below. And now I'm just gonna add a bit of highlighter, and I'm using this one here. You don't want excess, you don't want a lot, so just dab off the excess like so, and you just want to have it there. Okay, can you guys see the difference? So it's not too much that you want to add on there, because You definitely don't want to look like a clown at the end of the day. You want to look well put together, you know. When your face is well put together, your clothes are well put together, you smell good, and you've got your ish together, trust me, you can conquer the world. So guys, this was it. Definitely hope you did love it. Otherwise, this is how our faces looked warmed up, and I'll place a picture before the warming up and an after picture of after I warmed up. Until the next one, I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Don't forget to subscribe, to comment, let me know your thoughts. Please do let me know. I did post a community post. Yes guys, we now have a community post. Thank you YouTube for allowing us to have a community post. This is where we can actually engage and interact with each other. I did post a poll on my community post, basically asking you what type of content you guys would want because of late. I've seen that a lot of you haven't been tuning in. I don't know if you guys are busy or it's different schedules, or obviously maybe, I don't know, it's festive season. Most of my family, the people that are actually tuned into my channel, I actually may be busy, or I don't know what's happening, but please do let me know your thoughts. It will help me bring content to you that you definitely love watching. Until the next one guys, it's Coolio for me. Bye bye. Well, it's waiting half a step beyond our door.